First, loosen the screws on the motor. To loosen the screws, insert the screwdriver completely to avoid damage when loosening the screws. With the motor cover facing upwards, knock the motor shaft against the table, and the motor cover will come off. Take out the motor core, and be careful not to lose the gasket on the motor shaft. First, check whether there are glue blocks or other foreign objects on the motor gear. Then check whether the gear is too close to the bottom. If it is too close, it will cause problems. You need to add a spacer between them. Remove the gear in the same way and observe, and rotate it to see if there is any foreign matter causing the motor core to rotate abnormally. Use pliers to remove the slot and buckle, and use a screwdriver to remove the screws on the motor core. Use pliers to carefully remove the retaining ring too. Avoid damaging the bearing underneath. If the bearing is damaged, the entire motor will also be damaged. Remove the motor core cover and check if there is glue or foreign matter on the cover and the motor core. You can try to shake it to remove the foreign matter. Keep the motor core clean. After completion, reinstall the cover. Adjust the buckle and reinstall it. Install the motor according to the removal steps. During the process, you can check whether there are foreign objects on the parts several times. Refer to the steps in the video to turn the motor and feel whether the motor can rotate normally.